अब पर बाद में खेलूंगा. Okay, no problem. I have told 7 black goalkeeper. Oh, total. Oh, nice. 7 black goalkeepers. Nice one, bro. Okay, let's play with Fahad. Thanks, no problem. Lo Kareem, hi, welcome again. Like the stream, guys. Best of luck, bro. Thanks. If you are new, just subscribe it, bro. बॉक्स ड्रॉ किया. हाँ भाई, नॉर्मल बॉक्स ड्रॉ. इवेंट में जो मिला था, गोलकीपर मिला मुझे. ब्लैक बॉल गोलकीपर. See here. Here is my goalkeeper, Dia Khan. Oh, nice. So he is my new goalkeeper. I have 3 Thunder black ball goalkeeper. Oh, nice. Right. Good game, bro, against me. Yeah, thanks. You play well. Okay, let me check. Wait. No. Wait, 7. Okay, nice. Okay, no problem. Let me check his team. Okay, let's see. Let's play. I'm already subscribing. Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks for your support. And nice to play with you. Like it. Can you play with me next? Okay, Lo Kareem, you're next.
Welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at
क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा ये मैच?
This most special of games. Certainly, this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. Got on the way here pretty promptly. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
One of the game's best ever, Cristiano Ronaldo. He brings the power to whatever he does. He's a big fan.
Oh, Adi bhai, हाँ भाई बोलो. Just miss, bro. After this, with me one match, bro. There is so many players who wants to play with me. Let's see in future. Bro, what a goal! I never expect this one. Seriously, you're going to win this match, Adi bhai. Okay, thank you, Pavel. Look at this one, yaar. Look at this one. Play with them. Okay, thank you.
Great corner, and he did the rest.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch. It was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Mbappe, he's got away. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Cristiano Ronaldo shoots. Really should have hit the net.
Oh, his instinct was brilliant. But that finish.
Okay. Fahad, take it easy. अच्छा चांस था यार जी. गोल था ये almost. Jordi Alba is
Cristiano Ronaldo. He's left his man.
Oh, nice one.
Well, that's something that will make the manager.
Who is he? Pogba. Okay, nice.
They've got their leveler. The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, Peter,
Oh,
I was on
come
the
on.
fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't
This
moved.
pass for Aubameyang.
Throw in.
Aubameyang. Sterling makes a clever pass.
Oh shit.
He's sorting that out. And
Nice.
he leaves it forward.
Take it easy. Go.
Zanetti goes looking.
No problem.
He's got through.
Okay, nice.
Shoots. He's done ever so well.
Why next मेरे साथ एक मैच?
Wonderful goalkeeper.
हाँ भाई, ठीक है, सबके साथ खेलेंगे यार, जितना पॉसिबल हो सकता है.
That's been levered clear.
ऑफ साइड.
Straight offside.
उसके साथ लॉन्ग पास में खेलो. यप, हाँ.
Fractions.
एंड हाई प्रेस देकर खेलो. ओके.
TK. Messi. Mbappe. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, come on, Pogba.
It's been won straight back. TK. Sterling. Decent looking ball. Marcelo does well to read it and intercepts. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Danger averted for now. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example.
First half is done. Hello, Moin, what's up?
Interesting game here. Very, very watchable. 2 goals.
Welcome guys, like the stream
Come for the break.
and enjoy the game.
Score 1-1. And so we're off again. Messi. Sterling. Aubameyang. It out wide. Zanetti going through. Stitch defending, but that'll do. Sterling. He's caught it now. It's a free kick.
Foul. Yellow card to Pogba. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, that's the wrong decision.
Ronaldo spreads it towards the left. Goal kick. No.
Goal kick. Seriously? Yeah, perfect.
And he's
Oh,
got good distance.
I just
Who's
missed.
chasing?
come on.
Driving on now. What can they conjure from here? He's got away.
No. Pick it.
The shot's on. They score.
Chip through ball, Barol.
Is complete.
जब रोनाल्डो और ओबा पोजीशन ले रहे हैं, उनको पकड़ना बहुत हार्ड है.
Given such an open invitation,
Okay.
he was always going to shoot.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot on sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up there. He was both careless and
see.
costly from where I'm sitting.
I'm gonna go this way.
So we have a breakthrough. It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Aubameyang.
Come on.
PK gets rid without sophistication.
That's what has to be done now. No question about it.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Just has to be done.
Looks to thread it through. He's left his man. Mbappe has a shot.
Nice one.
Really well taken goal.
भाई आपका आईडी नंबर बताओ. अंकन भाई, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है,
Looking safe.
जाके देखो.
Lovely goal. Perfect poise to set himself for the strike.
चलो
Checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. So the lead now is 2. Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves. Good determined running there, but not backed by the defence. Oh, look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't. This one in. Who's full? Who's going to get there? PK. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Right through the middle. It's one!
Okay, no problem. Bro, I just got the wrist off. Nice Sandeep. देखा वो भी लॉन्ग पास में खेल रहा है और गोल मार रहा है. No problem, bro. होता है.
Pogba. Ronaldo to look to the possibilities. In the end, it's fruitless. Going through. Now it's Aubameyang. He's got away. Aubameyang!
How I missed this one?
Yeah, they've got away with
Seriously.
it. That was a defensive letdown to see him march through like that.
Okay, no problem. Come on, man. कहाँ pass? Friend request sent. Okay, no problem.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Forward it goes.
Accept mine. Okay, no problem.
Messi.
Well play, Fahad. Well play. Nice one. Guys, like करो यार. फहाद के लिए स्ट्रीम को लाइक करो. और अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना गाइस.